Strong winds expected to hit our state. Action 7 News reporter John Cardinelli spoke to PNM about how they're preparing for the wind. John?
Yeah, hey Joe, we're out here right now at North Domingo Baca Park. Not much wind right now. You could take a look and see this tree over here. Not really much movement, but as you mentioned, those strong winds are going to be moving across our state tomorrow. Earlier today, we spoke with PNM. They offered some advice they believe you should listen to stay safe.
PNM officials say the strong winds are rolling in.
Again, PNM's just been forecasting the weather as we always do to be prepared for any sort of event or weather-related incident that may occur.
While some may lose power due to the winds,
It is possible that outages may occur.
officials tell us PNM crews are already
So
preparing.
they're always ready and they're always prepared 24/7 to get to work to get the lights back on and to keep them on.
However, there are some safety tips PNM wants the community to be aware of.
It's possible that lines could fall down, poles could fall down, and if anybody sees any of that stuff, the biggest thing that PNM wants customers to know is to stay away, right? Don't approach those lines, don't approach those poles. Always assume that they're energized, and when they're safe and in a safe position, we ask that they report it to PNM.
They also are warning people to bring inside anything that may blow away during the wind.
Make sure, if you have any patio furniture or anything that isn't securely tied down, either bring that inside or strap it down. We don't want any of that stuff blowing around, possibly getting caught in power lines and causing any other issues that could be prevented.
And for the latest power updates, you could head to PNM's website or their mobile app. Reporting live in Albuquerque, I'm John Cardinelli, KOAT Action 7 News.
You can also report your outage by texting OUT to 78766.